Hi, I'm Liam from Aquify Pools, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to clean your sand filter. Cleaning these sand filters is done by a process called backwashing. So before we do a backwash, we want to make sure that we always turn the pump off before we move the handle. Now that the pump is off, we can depress the handle and move it 180 into the backwash position. Once it's in that position, we're then going to turn the pump on, and then we're going to look through this spyglass. What we're going to want to see is the water go from cloudy or dirty back to clear so that we can see our finger behind it. This may take several minutes, so please make sure that you have enough water in your pool. Once that water has then cleaned up, what we then need to do is stop the pump and then maneuver the handle into the rinse position. If we forget this step, what will happen is all of the dirt that we've disturbed up from cleaning the filter, it will go back into the pool and then we will have to clean it again. So by rinsing the system, it then clears all of the debris out of the filter before we can put it back to normal filter position. So turning the pump back on once we're in the rinse position, we're then still going to look through the spyglass until it goes from cloudy to clear, and then that's when we know it's good to turn off and put back onto filter. Rinse is a lot quicker than backwash and usually clears the water up pretty quickly. Now the pump is off, we can maneuver the handle back to filter, turn the pump back on, and that's the backwash sequence.